Let others stand at a distance. Get us come behind. Release space in front. Let people come.
I never want to start court without telling you about zero tolerance to corruption. You win your case by telling the truth, sticking to the facts, and the law being on your side. Should you follow those 3 steps and you get a judgment and you think that judgment is not in your favor, then the solution for you is to appeal.
Uganda Bus.
What's the
Otegeera tumukise musango bulize ogukusomere
the names? Ayo. So we're going to communicate through the charges.
tugenda kusomera omusango gwakuvunaana
He's going to talk to you in language that you understand.
era agezaako okuvunulire
Pastor Iga Alias Abizayo,
pasitayiga abamu bakumanyi nga abizaayo
a male aged 43 years,
olina emyaka 43
Uganda by tribe,
oli muganda
a pastor at Revival Christian Church, Kawala,
oli musumba mu kanisa y'Erevival Christian Church e Kawala
resident of Kawala Central Zone,
era oli mutuuze wa Kawala Central Zone
Rubaga Division in the Kampala district.
mugombo y'Erubaga mu disitulikiti y'e Kampala.
Those are your particulars.
Ebyo bitukwatako ssebo
The statement of offense is as follows:
omusango gwakuvunaana bwe buno
doing an act likely to spread infection or disease, doing an act, doing okukola
okukola ekikolwa
likely to spread
ekinaleetako okusaasaanya
infection of a disease
obulwadde
contrary to section 171 of the Penal Code Act.
kikwatana ne akawaayiro 171 etteeka eryo etteeka lye bakusomedde.
Particulars of offense are as follows:
Isibo beebyo ebikwata ku musango guno
Pastor Iga Agustin Alias Abizayo,
omusumba Augustine Giga alias Abizaayo
on the 27th day of March
nga 27 March
2020
guno omwaka ssebo
at Revival Christian Church, Kawala,
mu kanisa eya Revival Christian Church e Kawala
Rubaga Division in the Kampala district,
mu Rubaga Kampala district
before BBC Television,
mu maaso ga TV eya BBS,
Spark Television,
Spark TV,
NBS Television,
NBS TV
and Sanuka Television cameras,
ne kamera za Sanuka TV
uttered words
wayogera ebigambo
which were broadcasted
ebyateekera ku mukutu
saying
ng'ogamba bino ebigambo
there is no coronavirus in Uganda
teri kawuka ka coronavirus mu Uganda
and Africa,
n'ensemazinga ya Africa.
knowing or having reason to believe
Okimanyi oba ng'olina okukkiriza
that it is likely to spread the infection of coronavirus,
okimanyi ebigambo byeyogedde biyinza okuleeta okusaasaanya kw'akawuka ka coronavirus
dangerous life.
ekinaleeta obulamu bw'abantu abangi.
Have you heard charges?
Sebo bitegedde bikusomedde
How do you plead?
sebo biki byeyogera ku ebyo obumanyi oba tobimanyi.
The plea of not guilty has been entered.
Kkooti ewandiise omusango ogwegaanye.
Inquiries are not yet complete. I pray for adjournment for mission.
okunywereza kwa poliisi tetunaba kugwa basabayo olunaku olulala. Buliidi ategeeza kkooti owadde ebiragiro okusaba kkooti okuwa okweyimirira.
Your Honor, the suspect, Justin Yulia, applies for bail in this honorable court. Basically, based on basing his application under the 28 of the Constitution, advancing the right to apply for bail in this honorable court. Your Honor, this honorable court has discretion as to whether to grant or deny bail to the applicant. Your Honor, Section 76 and 77 of the Magistrate Court Act provides for grounds that one can rely on to ask for bail. The applicant has a fixed place of abode within the jurisdiction of this honorable court.
Omuntu alina okukakasa nti asaba okweyimirira ate ng'alina ekitundu mwasula muli kkooti eno mwetuula.
Your Honor, the applicant has a fixed place of abode at Kawala, Zone C.
Agamba nti nno alina ekifo mwasula wasobola okusangibwa Kawala Zone C.
And Your Honor, the applicant is a father
Taata
who has 8 children
n'abaana 8
that he looks after,
baalabirina
that still need his care in this time of quarantining as ordered by the government.
beetaaga abalabire kino ekiseera kya karantiini nga gavumenti bwe yalagira.
Your Honor, the applicant also has sureties.
Naye alina abamweyimirira abaga okweyimirira pasita gye wano. These media houses give us a
Resident of Kamochatu Market Area Village.
abeera mu kitundu kye bayita Kamochatu Area Market Village.
She's an administrator of the church.
Akola mu kanisa y'e Kawaala.
Council, continue.
Your Honor, we have the second surety, Kawiyed Simon.
Mutuuze w'e Kawaala.
He's an assistant pastor of the Revival Church.
Naye musumba ku kanisa y'e Revival Kawaala.
He's a resident of Kawala Zone, LC1.
Mutuuze w'e Kawaala Zone LC1.
You can proceed with your application. For the surety.
relying on the case of Chizalesi. What do I consider that? Also, the sureties have been explained too. Have been explained to the reason why they are sureties and the responsibility they are undertaking to ensure that he comes to court. Your Honor, we further reiterate the earlier ground that Pastor Augustine Iga is a father. As children that need his attention in this period granted by government. And that also he has done an ailment that requires proper attention. To the best of our grounds, we pray that this honorable court grants Pastor Iga Augustine bail on the terms and conditions as provided by this court.
The sureties know their responsibilities. Objective. What are the responsibilities of our surety?
To make sure that results produced in court whenever is needed in time.
State.
However, no proof of the sin has been presented to court. We cannot confirm the existence of these illness. Number two, are you rejecting the administrator as well as Mulonji Group? That is an assistant pastor. The applicant is a pastor. So, given their positions, your worship, I find they did not execute their duties. These are lower rank whom and they not bring a ruling to appear in court whenever required. We pray that God finds them not substantial.
All the other pastors are assistant pastors. Your Honor, these are people that are always with him and not strangers into his life. Your Honor, the sureties have been explained to and told the responsibilities of the sureties, and they know even the consequences of the pastor failing to appear in court. Your Honor, an administrator is so close to the pastor, in management of the church since he's a pastor. Your Honor, we pray that this honorable court, based on the issue issue of the sureties,
ensonga y'abeemirira
finds them suitable sureties
sange nti ne banaasobola omulimu
to represent that truth. Your background of the illness, the suspect has been in custody. The suspect has not been able to contact his doctors. People that provide insurance. I reiterate my earlier prayer that this court has the powers based on the earlier reasons given. To grant the suspect bail. So I pray the suspect, who is the applicant, is given a suspect.
Immediately write a ruling there and then, but given the guidance from the Ministry of Health, I see all of you are not complying with social distancing. In the circumstances, I cannot keep you here because I don't want to be in breach of the Ministry of Health guidelines. Because I know if I adjust for ruling, many of you are going to stay here, and I don't want you to go away when you're infected. In the circumstances, I'm adjourning this case Monday to deliver a ruling so that you people can go and practice social distancing. Please don't stay at court. The case is adjourned to 6th April 2020. The accused is remanded until then.
Ono mwamukwata ddi kiki ekyamulisiza mu kooti? Tugende kapande. Tomuteeka nnyo aweewaki awamala.
Omwami Pastor Yiga Augustine twamukwata nga wamukwata kwaffe kwasinziira ku ebigambo byayogera mu ngeri ya bulagajavu ng'ensi yonna efukamidde olw'ekirwadde kya COVID-19. Bizinesi zonna zigaddewo, abaana bavudde mu ssomero, ensi yonna eri ku bunkenke. Abakugu bali mu laboratory bali mu kunoonyereza ekyaleeta obulwadde buno tutya nga butusobola okumumalawo. Naye kati omwami ono ye n'avaayo n'alaga ensi yonna ate ku kamera nga bwe bataliwo obulwadde bwe bayita COVID. Ekintu ekyo kya bulagajavu naye wagenza okulaba mu mateeka gaffe nga section 171 eya Penal Code eraga nti omuntu yenna abaako ekintu kyakola oba bwayogera ebigambo ebitakwata, ebigambo ebyo biyinza okuvaamu okusaasaanya kw'obulwadde bwonna obw'obulabe buba musango. Era kyetuva twamukwata ne tumukyajinga omusango ogwo ne tumuleta wano. Ekituyambye era twagala kwebaza ekitongole ekiramuzi tubamuwadde remand ya weekend wanaakomerawo wano ku Mande ffe fayiro yaffe yawedde abajuzi baffe we bali information yonna tukirina tujja kuba nga tumuvunaana amateeka nga
sana wao. Sisi aile murani atatoka gari nyingi timu kuru mwenye bayo imide mu kamera short today. Mukubye bomu
atunira amatu nze likado ndoza mumanyi ngo ndi wa pastor ida nze mbeera ino sibya kulimba sigenda kugamba kwa tetusomye nnyo tusimanyi mateeka buli omu yamanyi gyakiwunzi naye tulina kintu kimu nti yonna omusajja yonna gy'alaga awunzika wangule kati ne musumbayiga agenda kwongera omuda agenda pastor Bugembe simanyi lwaki amutumidde naye ffe kati ffe tetumanyi gye bigenda kuggwera naye ffe tunyikiriziddwa nga ffe bannannyini musumba n'abatamwagala nabo basanyuse kati kyaliwadde amagezi tuwaŋŋane just betiibwa nakwagalana musumba gyagenda batugambe wiiki etya emu mande tukomawo mu kooti kansibe tugenda kuvaayo n'ekisinga